Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily IP ban someone on Discord. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. Now since we're going to use the mobile app on our mobile device, we need to get something out of the way. So open your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the app, and also make sure the app is updated for everything to run smoothly, and or at least have one of the newer versions. Anyways, after that, let's open the Discord app and make sure you are logged into your account just like that. Now from here you need to go ahead and locate the person that you want to ban. So the easiest way to do that is to go to members, especially if you're in a server that has a lot of members. You cannot find that person in the chat. You go ahead and open the browser, or the server settings. So tap on the server name in the top, you get this dashboard. From here, to find the members, you won't find them here. You need to go ahead and first tap on settings. So we have that setting button right there. Tap on settings to open settings, of course, and then scroll down until you find members. Here we go. Go ahead and tap on members. There's only one person here, as you can see, guys, but if you have a lot of people here that you want to find one person within, go ahead and tap on the search bar in the top and then search for that person. Once you find them, tap on their profile to open it. And here we go, guys. It's very easy. From here you can give them a timeout, kick, ban, or transfer ownership. That's the one we're looking for, ban. So go ahead and tap on ban, and here just go ahead and give them a time. Maybe if you want to ban them for 7, if you want to delete their messages from 7 days, or if you want to delete a message from 1 hour ago, or if you don't want to delete any of their messages, just make up your mind here, and then you can give them a reason to why are you banning them from their or from your server. And that's basically how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in future videos.